Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix all problem for YouTube application on your smart TV. If your YouTube application is not working, not opening and giving some error, so how to fix it? In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11 and any smart TV. So let's start the video. The first method is open your settings option on your TV. Okay, so we are going for settings option. Find settings option on your TV. So click on it, and after that guys, click here apps option. If this option is not displayed on your TV, find app management and manage app option. Okay, click on it, and after that guys, find here your applications. If your application is not displayed under this list, you can see here see all apps. Okay, click on it, and after that guys, find here your YouTube application. So we are checking here. So guys, you can see here our YouTube application is displayed here. Select these applications. Okay, click on it, and after that guys, there are some option. Okay, click here this clear data option. Select this option. So guys, you can see here this clear data option is visible here. So before click on OK button, you can see here all these apps data will be deleted permanently. This include all files, settings, accounts and database. So if you click on this option, your YouTube application will sign out from your email ID. You can log in again your email ID and your YouTube is working properly. Okay, click on OK button, and after that guys, click here this option. If your problem is not fixed, uninstall updates. You can see here this option is displayed here, uninstall updates. Okay, click on it, and after that guys, click on OK button. So your update will get removed, because sometime if you update your YouTube application, there are some updates to block your application. So uninstall you recently your YouTube application. Okay, and after that guys, click here open button and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, you can see here this option is displayed. Click here get started option and sign in again your email ID. Okay, sign in and select your this application. Your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, so we are going for next method. Click here back, and after that guys, open Google Play Store on your TV. After that guys, when Google Play Store open, select here this search option and type here YouTube. Y. You can see here when pressing Y, YouTube application is displayed here. So guys, if there are update option, okay, you can update again. Click here this update option, and you can see here updates will get downloading here. So we will wait until this process is complete. So guys, you can see here your YouTube application get up to date. Okay, now click on open. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, please restart your TV and check your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, maybe there are some problem on your Wi-Fi. So restart your TV and after that check your problem is okay. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.